Namaskar, this is Sonali Mahan, founder of Better Gains Realtors. And what an amazing day, as today I share with you all the big news, breaking news, which is the Prestige City comes to Delhi NCR. It's going to be their very first project in Delhi NCR, which will be hosting apartments, retail, school care, health care, and many clubhouses in this project. So let me speak on the brand. It has delivered over 300 plus projects all over India. They have presence in over 12 cities across India, and it is one of the most trusted and respected names in the real estate market. What is so special about Falcon? Not only it has received many accolades, and for the communities that they bring, and the kind of living experience they bring to the home buyers, which makes them never leave and leave no stone unturned to be a part of the prestige projects. So, coming into this specific location that I speak of today, which is where we are sitting today at Siddharth Vihar, this is just at the edge of Noida and Delhi, with important connectivity to central part of Delhi, which is your Connaught Place. Also, it is connected through Dehradun with the new expressway coming in. There is Meerut Expressway. This is also connected to Jewar Airport, which is going to take you hardly 1 hour. And then there is way towards the IGI airport, which is going to again take an hour. So this location has never had an opportunity where they could be part of such a fabulous project. I have just seen the presentation and it gave me goosebumps. I don't think ever people of northern India, whether it be Noida, Ghaziabad, Delhi NCR, have witnessed a project which is so grand. And when I say grand, it is in terms of open spaces and how the towers are beautifully placed, the multiple amenities which host things like skywalk. There are clubhouses which is having your basketball areas, your lot of open spaces, green spaces, a walking track, jogging track, then even the indoor swimming pool. In fact, they have many swimming pools. A beautifully done up health gym area with hosting facilities, which will make your time an experience of living in this project a luxury. And whoever will come to you, they will be like, oh my God, we could have never witnessed something like this. I have been fortunate to witness and experience the legacy that Prestige Group has created in Bangalore, and what mind blowing pieces and projects they have created. I looked at a building that was a project that was delivered 20 years back and it looked almost new. So, and I think never ever I have gone to an apartment or to a project which has been, in Noida, where I can say it looks new even after 20 years. So these kind of things add a lot of value proposition. So I've spoken to you about the project details. You can reach out to us. We help you fill up your EOIs, your priority generation, which will be absolutely transparent and fair. And we will help you navigate through this process of finding the dream home for your family. Thank you.